Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be doing something that is pretty much highly recommended by everyone that has been commenting on my YouTube channel, and specifically this one guy. I'll throw his name up on the screen right now. Can't remember his name as of this moment, but he actually found my Facebook and reached out to me and told me that I need to move these I-beams, which is I broke my arm so I can't move it, but these long beams right here, there's a hole right here that we need to move that right there up to that right there. Supposedly it will take away bump steer and stuff, so we're kind of doing a little sketchy here. I don't think it'll be too hard once we get it all up, but we're gonna get a jack stand, piece of wood, hold it, and then we're going to get the jack.
Well, that's not high enough.
It's not high enough.
We're just wanting to take a little bit of weight off, right?
Yeah, I mean, literally all we have to do is get the jack, unbolt it, and as long as the jack can go up high enough, we should be able to get it in that hole. It's our first time doing it, as you can tell. We're kind of learning as we go. I also called Rough Country, and they told me to do this as well. This is a 6-inch suspension lift on 95 F-150 two-wheel drive. So if you're having bump steer and stuff like that, and you think you have everything figured out, this might be the fix to it. After we do this, we got to take it to an alignment shop, and hopefully this fixes all of that. Obviously, I'll be the judge of that, and I'll tell you all my honest opinions. If it doesn't feel like it fixes it, I'm not going to tell you how it fixes it. If I think it fixed it, I'm going to tell you how I fixed it. And obviously, I wish I could be doing this. My dad was kind enough to basically do it for me. So kind of sketch, have this whole truck being held out by that right now, and as you can tell, mega camber, so you know it's lifted up. And then literally we have to take that bolt out, use this to jack that up high enough to get into that hole, and we're gonna do the same exact thing with obviously the other side. Now I really hope this works. That would be freaking sick. I literally bought a gearbox, bought everything I possibly could to help better the steering, and if all I had to do was move these I-beams a hole up higher, it's gonna be a bad day, but a good day at the same time. We got my cousin over here on his old rusty dusty box putting up some LED lights.
You just say the S word on YouTube channel?
And on his bed here. Looks like he got inspired by, you know, me. Down here trying to find a hot wire to get it connected up to so it doesn't have to run wires from all the way back here all the way up to the battery. Yeah, look at that front tire. It is off the ground. I'm gonna try to video as much of this as I can since I'm not actually doing it, and he is now under there with the wrench. I had to point now where the nuts off of this. Okay, go one of two ways right now. Knock that out, I-beam goes flying up this way, or it stays straight right there. Let's hope that's what it does, or yeah, that's gonna suck. This is what we're doing.
Can you do a little bit more?
Come on, Andrew.
Oh, sorry. That's okay, hold on. Can you hold it?
Need a hammer?
All right, Andrew, you let go for a second.
I guess we have the weight distributed pretty evenly here.
Honestly, I hope this don't kill me.
Do it again?
Yeah. Put on, let go a little bit.
Yes!
Sweet.
Let's freaking go! It's
Good job, Andrew.
Good job, Andrew!
Good job, Chase.
I guess my genius plan worked. This is what is being held up by right now. Whew, just one more. If the other side does this, this will be a 30-minute job, and then take it to, you know, up to the alignment shop, and hopefully this is gonna fix my problems. If not, well, then I don't know. We are now on to the passenger side one. Let me show y'all. Same place, other side. Here. Then we gotta loosen this guy. And then off to the alignment shop. And I'm not really gonna video this side because you already saw what to do for the most part if y'all are having the same problem. So I guess I'll see y'all either at the alignment shop or on the way back or something like that. Here she comes. We haven't brought it to alignment shop or anything yet, but down there kind of breaking it in a little bit. We might move the camber nuts a little bit because I have like I think almost a 3-degree adjustable ones in there. I'm gonna let y'all see how bad this looks when it's driving. Look at that pigeon toe. Oh, Lord. That is ugly. Yeah, now time for the alignment shot. Okay, guys, so it is a few hours later, probably a good 4 to 5 hours later, and ran into some problems. I wasn't even gonna make the rest of this video, but I don't want to leave y'all on a cliffhanger. Y'all wouldn't really know either way because y'all are watching this video, but I want to just tell y'all what happened. So once we were done, obviously the camera was very positive, which means the top of the tire was, like I said, my arm is broke, so I can't really do it, but the top of the tire was out this way, the bottom of the tire was in this way. Negative would be the opposite. So super positive. So we brought it to the alignment shop, they put it on there. We had about +4 camber on both of the tires, obviously. And so now it is a lot better. I'm turned right now, but one, I'm pretty sure it's the driver's side one has, I'm gonna go show you all the paper in a second, but basically the problem is still undecided. I was driving it and it pulls really bad to the left since the camber is that way, which forces the caster or toe that way. I'll show you all the paper in a second, but yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all this. So yeah, if you're gonna do this, make sure you have new camber nuts ready. I'm gonna have to buy some new ones, probably with +4 to -4 degree of change available. And this is the max degree, I guess what you call it, is what it's set at right now. So like we have no more adjustment out of it. So what it's at right now is what it's at until I get new camber nuts, which are, camber nuts are pretty easy to do. It's that thing you see right there, the little silver thing. Well, can't point, but that right there. I'm gonna show you all the paper on what it's at right now. So yeah, still undecided on how it drives after moving it. I can't really finish this video yet, so I guess this video is gonna be continued for a few weeks until I can get the new camber nut. But I'm gonna show you all this paper real quick just so y'all can see. So ignore this one, we had to like redo it twice there. So at first, this right here was like at +4. Same with that side, but this is what it's currently at right here. So this side right here has -1.1, and I can't remember which one it is. It doesn't show. I'm not sure. Basically, it pulls to the left pretty good, and that is why right there. So yeah, we just have to get new camber nuts, and hopefully it should be pretty good. And hopefully it fixes the bump steer. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Hopefully y'all kind of understood what was going on during this video. I know it's kind of jumping all around, but that's what happens whenever you got an OBS and you're trying to make it work. Now I'm going to make, of course, more parts to this, to the final step to where camber's straight up, which I said a few seconds ago in the video, but hopefully it can come a lot sooner than that. I'm about to order them after I make this video. But I'm making this video on the 6th of December. So hopefully I can get the camber nuts in pretty dang soon. And then we will be able to tell if moving the I-beams up a hole is going to fix my bump steer. And the guy's YouTube profile that I popped up earlier in the video is the guy that brought it to my attention at first. And then a lot of people, kind of just a domino effect after that. I kept getting a lot of messages about it, and I was like, this don't seem right. I was like, I don't understand this bump steer. And these people were telling me that the 6-inch lift for the 95s, basically the OBS trucks with two-wheel drive lifting the twin I-beams or whatever, the 6-inch lift is the 4-inch spring, if that makes sense. And at first it got to me, it was like, that makes sense. But then I gave Rough Country a call. I asked them for the specs on the 6 and 4-inch lifted springs, and they said the 6-inch lifted spring is a 6-inch lifted spring. So that's what got me a little confused. Everyone's telling me that it's not. Then I called Rough Country and they said it was. But in this case, I figured I'll let the people rule. I'm gonna move this up. Hopefully it fixes it. Now we just got to get new camber nuts, and then hopefully bump steer is gone, and y'all guys were right. But yeah, enough of the talking. Sorry this video was so long, or it's not too long, but that's why I'm cutting it off now. I'm making 2 parts so we don't have a 20-minute long video. But like I said, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit. And make sure, if you want to see the full fix of this, hopefully the other videos are up by now if you're watching this a few weeks later. So just go check out my channel. But other than that, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.